I realize now I never checked my front tire pressure.
Oh yeah.
Oh well.
Rolling.
What's up, everybody? I'm Max.
I'm Parker.
This is our Grom trip where we try to ride 1,000 miles in 24 hours. So come along for the ride with us.
They were born to be wild, riding fast and rusty. Parker and Max are both wise and lucky.
I just kind of went over where we're at, what's going on. I mean, we can do another one if we want to do that, or...
I don't know where we're at or what's going on, so why don't we do it with me on it?
We don't have a backup way to get home, so if we break, we're stuck.
We are stranded a little bit.
And we are expected to be at work on Sunday. So for you folks just joining in now, we are about to hop on the 101 on Groms because it's really the only way we got to go.
Yeah. So we're
Oh, it already looks terrifying.
not expecting it to go great, but
We were hoping for the absolute best. All right, so we just filled up at, Morro Bay?
yep, we're in Morro Bay. It's still 50 degrees and foggy as shit.
Yep, still freezing our asses off.
Yeah, we've been pretty much freezing and getting soaked for like the last 4 hours.
The fog getting thicker? Oh yeah, it's getting way thicker.
Oh, this fog sucks.
Yeah, it was starting to go away for a minute. 162 from San Francisco, but at the end of the day, you can buy a bone stock Grom, go out and have a blast. Anyone that says you can't commute on a Grom,
You're doing it again.
yeah, what else is new? Huh. Did you shove my backpack, you asshole?
Well, I shoved you. I did it from the backpack, but I was just trying to push you if it makes you feel better.
No, it doesn't.
Next time I'll shove you from the helmet. Don't worry. I gotta take my f***ing gloves off again. Oh, son! I see my shadow!
Yeah, right?
That's glorious. We're on Groms, man. We can get through anything pretty quick.
Well, not anything.
Oh, my ass hurts.
Yup. Oh. Oh. Oh.
At least we sound badass.
Yeah, we sound really good. Whoop. Shut the door on you there.
Damn, this looks like a good place to have lunch, but oh, my ass hurts.
Oh, God. Yep. Yep.
Craft beer and food sounds really good.
There's places like this in San Francisco, isn't there?
There are.
So, according to my phone, I don't have good enough service. A warm coffee, a warm hot chocolate, a warm anything that's not out of an icebox.
Okie doke. What's up, everybody? We are just going to jump in really quick and talk about why we forgot to record anything in San Francisco. We were both very exhausted from riding for about 13 and a half hours at this point and being awake for something like 26
hours,
something like that. So we're not doing great from this point on in the video, but we are still having a lot of fun. So it doesn't really matter at the moment, but your backpack is covering your taillight a little bit.
Okay. A little closer, bud.
You're in the middle of the fucking lane there, bud.
Well, yeah, that's where I'm supposed to be, bud.
Thanks for leaving me some space. Don't worry, I'll just come take it.
That wasn't first. We got some heated vests while we were in San Francisco because we were tired of freezing our asses off the entire way.
Oh yeah, that's the biggest update, is we literally froze our balls off the entire way up here. And we both decided it was miserable. If you have not tried heated gear or you're thinking about heated gear, absolutely buy it. It is amazing. You just want to make sure your motorcycle's electrical system
has enough output to support it. We are probably a little bit over the limit the way we have our Grom set up, so don't do what we do. Oh, I forgot about that. Yep. That sweet booter on the other end, too. Oh, shit, that didn't work. This has been a pretty epic quest. Yeah, to say the least. Hello. Riding a Grom home from San Francisco. Yeah, we're on our way back. 1 o'clock this morning. Yeah, a little bit. We're close to Santa Cruz. Or we're in Santa Cruz. And then we went and had a beer and some food. And then, yeah. Just gonna say we're coming into Santa Cruz here, which is perfect because my ass is on fire. Yeah. Alright, what are the chances this one works? Not high. Yeah, I don't think so either, but at least there's a person inside here. We will get gas one way or another.
I hate riding motorcycles, Parker.
Stop sucking at it so much, you'll be fine.
No more long trips. This blows.
This was your idea.
I know. It was terrible. I can't see a goddamn thing right now.
Yeah. Here. Oh, wait. Not here. Oh, we could have gone there. God damn it, I can't tell anything. Whoever thought this was a good idea.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. I cannot f***ing see these spots.
Which dots?
Like, when it goes dark like that, I can't tell where the f*** it's going.
Oh, yeah.
You doing okay back there?
Yeah, I'm going to have to pull over again for a second.
Alright, I'll find a spot.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm being so winded.
It's all good, just don't die.
So, at this point in the trip, we are both not doing well at all and trying to decide if we're going to... Well, I'm trying to sleep in a gas station parking lot.
I'm not having it.
Parker is very frustrated and upset with me at this point and wants me to decide if we're staying in a hotel or if we're just going to make it back to LA, which I am just absolutely not up for. We did both have to be up doing things the day before. Parker was working at his full-time job. I had the day off, but was running around all day buying SD cards and trying to charge and prep everything for the trip. So neither of us got a whole bunch of sleep the day before. And we have now been riding for about 27 hours on the bikes and been up the day before from that. So we are both very, very tired. I think we're something like 40 hours awake at this point, and 27 hours on the motorcycles minus the short break in San Francisco. So we found that was about our limit and decided we needed to stop in Pismo for a couple hours.
This has to be one of the stupidest things I think I've ever done.
Yeah, it's up there.
Riding a Grom up the 101.
I thought you just meant the whole trip in general, but...
Well, no, yeah, I mean the whole trip in general, but this in particular is one of the worst things about this trip is running on the freeway.
Oh shit, I'm doing 67.
Yeah.
68. That would be a new high speed for the trip.
I got 69.
Oh yeah, 69.
70.
70. 31.
71.
Woo! And yeah, we can say for sure Groms are badass sports touring bikes.
Yeah. They're not the fastest things in the world, but they'll get you there apparently.
Yeah, they're not the fastest.
Just so we can make it clear too, we are not sponsored by Honda by any means. If they'd like to sponsor us, let us know, but this is all just because we like the Groms. Hello. What's up? We're still on it. We're on the 118. We're gonna be at work in like 10-15 minutes here.
And we're officially done with freeways.
Yeah, right?
Oh, that was epic, dude.
Oh, that was a lot of fun. Let's never do that again.
Seriously, how the f*** is it foggy here? Are we just living in fog now?
What's that? Oh, yeah.
How is it foggy here? It was like 100 on Friday. What did he ask?
If I could do a wheelie.
Oh.
Like, yeah. Do one for the viewers anyway?
Yeah, why not? We said we can, we gotta prove it.
Maybe not after 2 days of riding.
Well, maybe we shouldn't have said yeah so confidently.
Oh, yeah, no, I guess not.
You're gonna park where I can't park next to you? I see how it is. Oh, my side stand is so stiff.
Ah, did you kick me?
My bad, I knew you were coming over here. My bad.
They've been this far together. They need to have their conversations too.
I'm with it. Have a ride debrief about what idiots we are.
Yep. My backpack doesn't weigh 1,000,000 pounds. I took half the shit out of it.
Yeah, I know. All the tools are out of mine. Fucking the fuel's out of it.
Yeah. I just lose my transmission?
Alright, well, you want to get out of the road?
That'd be nice. Well, that's good. I'll take that. Chain popping off isn't that big of a deal.
So, gentle on the throttle.
Man, so no more wheelies. God damn, I want to get one good one. Yeah, I wanted to do wheelies down here, but I just felt the chain want to slip off again, so that's not happening.
Nice.
A little bit of a hard landing, but so much for not doing wheelies.
Yeah, right?
I can't help myself. Chain popped off.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Right as we passed that guy?
Yep, when I jumped it.
Nice.
Alright guys, so final wrap up on everything. Our end mileage ended up being just over 1,000 miles in 34 hours, roughly.
We stopped recording really the time when we got to work because it just got too confusing. As you see in the video, once we leave work, Parker's chain pops off, so we spent a few minutes figuring that out and fixing it. Then he spent a bunch of time being ridiculous, and then popped it off again. So we did have a few delays in getting home, but generally that ride from the shop to here is about 45 minutes. So our total trip time should have been right around 34 hours, 45 minutes, and was just about 1,020 miles. We tried really, really hard to make it in that 24-hour mark, but we found out on stock Groms, at least, that is a real tough task. We may try again at some point, but at least for this time, that 24-hour mark remains pretty solidly unbroken, even with the time we spent taken out.
So like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see us try and beat that 24-hour mark or see any other stupid adventures on said mini bikes. We have a lot more action coming your way too.
And most of all, get out and have some fun with your friends.
Always, everyone needs a Grom.
They were born to be wild, riding fast and rusty. Parker and Max are both wise and lucky.
We're rolling. What's up, everybody? Fuck, what are we talking about? I forgot. I completely
No,
forgot.
dude, you leave that in. What are you gonna say?
I completely
This is Max. I'm Parker. We just want to give you a heads up about some of the stuff in the film that we've been doing. It's our first time doing any sort of filming like this, and you're gonna hear some audio that's not perfect.
Yeah, there's some
And
bad audio. There's us bitching about the fog for way too long, but it sucked the entire trip.
we did not make it to the stunt ride that you hear us talk about quite a bit in the video. We didn't make it there quite in time. And lastly, I think all we gotta get over is we were wearing masks in a couple scenes. This was COVID time. We're mandatory everywhere we went.
That was terrible.
That was terrible.
I forgot everything. You did good. I forgot everything we were supposed to be talking about.
All right.